Who loves drawing BT21? Who's in Army? Who loves kids art class? How's it going, everybody? Hope you're all doing well. I'm Isaiah Hwang, and in today's kids art class, I'm going to teach you how to draw Mang from BT21. So let's get into it. Okay, kids, so to start off, we're going to draw a circle. So right in the middle, right here, we're just going to draw a circle. And inside this circle, you're going to draw another circle. And then just color it in. Okay. And then you want to draw Ming's ears. So right here, we're just going to make a little half circle, right? Up like this. And come back down. Okay. And then we're going to draw his face, the front of it. So we're going to come this way, and we're going to come all the way around. Okay, so we're going to try to end about right here. So start here, come out, come back down, and right there. Okay, then we're going to make a line that comes out just a little bit. And then on this side, we're going to come out a little bit, and then we're going to come straight down. So come out, and then come straight down. And instead of making this straight, we're going to make it kind of a little bit lower. So come down a little bit and then come back up. Okay? Now we're going to draw a little half circle right here. This is Ming's nose. And then all it is right here is just a line. Like that. Okay? And then we're going to draw another circle right here. And then on this side we're going to connect it. Circle, and then another half circle, and then the last one right here. And we're just going to draw a line right straight down. This one, straight down this way, straight down this way, and this one straight down that way. Alright, so then now Mang's body comes out probably about this tall, so we want to make sure that the legs and the body are in the right proportion, right? So you want to start right about here, and we just want to make a line that comes down and it comes out a little bit. Same thing for this side. So right about here, come down, and it comes out, just like that. And then we want these legs to end right in the middle, like right about here, right? So what we're going to do is we're going to come down, and then we're going to come around, and then come all the way up. Like this. And we're going to do the same thing on this side. So come down, around, and up. And then you just have to make arms. So arms, same thing, just come out like this and come right back in. Same thing on this side. And then Mang has a tail that comes out like this right here. Draw like a triangle shape. And two little lines. And just like we always do, we're gonna speed through the coloring. And there you have it. Mang from BT21. Thanks for watching. Till I see you next time, remember to let your light shine. Bye!